Today is April 16, 2026. Opus 4.7 is here, and over here you have noticed for agentic coding it beats all the leading models except Mythos, which doesn't have public access. In this video, we are going to use Opus 4.7 against Cursor Composer 2 to build two different SwiftUI apps and compare the result. We will first create an iOS alarm system. Then we will test the two modules' vision capabilities by uploading this screenshot to recreate it. I have already created Xcode projects for Opus 4.7 and Composer 2. So let's launch each one of them in Cursor and use the same prompt to build the alarm system. So we want to build an iOS application using the Alarm Kit API. There should be a button to snooze the alarm and another one to stop it. For this project, we have Opus 4.7 alarm system. It contains our content view and the entry point of the app. So let's go to the model selector and change it to Opus 4.7 and send the prompt. So while it has started thinking, we can jump on to the Composer version and work with that as well. I'll paste the same prompt here. Like the Opus version, we have our content view and also the entry point of the app. And using the same prompt, I'll go to the model selector and select Composer 2 and send the prompt. While the Composer version has also started thinking about the project, we can cycle between them. So if I go to the files and folders, you have noticed here we now have new generated files. I'll select each one of them and review and keep them. While it is still generating the code, I'll switch back to the Composer version and see what it's doing. It has also generated new files. So here we have all these new files. I'll keep each one of them. The Composer version was much faster. So over here, it has summarized everything it did. Without going through each of the code here, we can jump to Xcode and see whether it works or not. We have the Opus version. So I'll minimize this one. And here we have the Composer version, Composer 2 alarm system. In the layer list, we have all the generated files. So we haven't granted access. So let's select the root directory and go to the info tab. Once you hover on any of the key items, you can see there is a plus button. You can click the plus button to add a new key. Let's jump to the privacy section and select the option Alarm Kit Usage Description. For the value, we can say the app would like to access your alarm. So you have now noticed the error message has now disappeared. Let's see if Opus is also ready. So now everything is ready. I'll review the files and accept the changes. So we can go to Xcode and test the Opus version. The Opus version is far better than the one Composer built. We have the current time, a button to create a new alarm. In the toolbar, we also have a plus button to set a timer or an alarm clock. We can also adjust the accent color of the application. Next, we want to recreate this screenshot using each of the models. I have also created an Xcode project for each. So I'll go to Cursor and start with Opus 4.7. I'll paste this prompt and change the model to Opus 4.7. Then I will add the screenshot as well and send the prompt. Let's open the Composer version and do the same. I'll add the screenshot and you have noticed we have Composer 2 selected. So we can now send the prompt. I'll go ahead and keep all the generated files. While it is still generating the code, I'll go back to the Opus version. With this also, I'll accept the changes. So now everything is done, and over here, it wants to run the app through the command line. However, we can go ahead and open the Xcode version. You have now noticed Opus did a great job cloning the screenshot. So the SwiftUI screen looks really beautiful. Let's also look at what Composer did. You have noticed here that is also done and it has summarized everything it did. I'll jump back to Xcode and see what it did. The Composer version is also well done. It implemented everything in a single file. However, with the Opus version, we have several files. For the alarm clock UI, the Opus version is much better than that of Composer. And for the screenshots we passed to the models, you have noticed they all did great. On the left, we have Composer 2, and on the right, we have Opus 4.7.